Imagine a computer so small, it fits in the palm of your hand, yet so powerful, it makes a $3,000 professional workstation look like a plastic toy. For over a decade, the Mac Mini was the safe choice. It was the budget box you bought for your parents or used for basic office work. It was reliable, sure, but it was never exciting. Those days are officially dead, right now. A massive leak from Apple's highly secretive manufacturing hub in Houston, Texas, has just pulled back the curtain on the M5 Mac Mini. This isn't just a spec bump. This isn't a minor refresh. We are looking at a Mac studio killer designed to bring world-class professional power to the masses for a fraction of the cost. If you thought you knew what a small computer was capable of, you need to pay attention. The details coming out of the supply chain are about to change the way you look at your desk forever. The Houston secret story begins in an unexpected place, Houston, Texas. For decades, we have seen the words "assembled in China" on every Apple product. But Apple is shifting its strategy. They are moving production of their most disruptive hardware to a state-of-the-art facility right here in the United States. This isn't just about politics. It's about security. Apple is securing the brain of the future. This Texas facility is a high-tech fortress designed to build the most advanced AI desktops ever conceived. When you are building a machine meant to be the private AI engine of a home, security is everything. By moving production to the US, Apple keeps a tight grip on every single chip and board. They are ensuring that your data stays yours. This isn't just a computer anymore. It is an American-made powerhouse designed for the next era of computing. The heart of the beast, the M5 chip. The heart of this revolution is the M5 chip. This is not just a slightly faster version of the M4. The M5 is built on a brand new, third-generation 3nm process. To understand why this matters, think of the chip like a plot of land. In the past, you could only fit so many houses on that land. But with this new process, Apple has found a way to fit billions of tiny components, each smaller than a virus, into a space that shouldn't be able to hold them. This results in a chip that is faster than a high-end gaming PC while using significantly less electricity. This efficiency is the secret weapon. Because the M5 uses so little power, it doesn't generate the heat that usually kills performance. This is how Apple can keep the Mac Mini tiny, just 5 inches by 5 inches, and keep it completely silent. You can render a 4,000 movie or compile thousands of lines of code for hours and you won't hear a single fan noise. It is just pure, silent, unstoppable power, graphics, and the gaming revolution. But let's talk about the part that usually makes Mac Mini users jealous: the graphics. For years, the Mini was the weak sibling. That ends now. The new M5 GPU is a total monster. For the first time, every single core in the GPU includes a dedicated neural accelerator built specifically for artificial intelligence. It features hardware-accelerated mesh shading and a 35% boost in ray tracing performance. If you aren't a tech geek, here is what that means. Light, shadows, and reflections in video games and professional 3D renders will look indistinguishable from reality. This little box can now compete with giant, power-hungry graphics cards that cost more than the entire Mac Mini itself. Think about that. You are getting the performance of a massive tower in a box that weighs less than a bag of sugar. The supercores and predictive computing. Apple is also reimagining how the processor thinks. They are introducing a new 10-core CPU design featuring supercores. These are the fastest CPU cores in the world. They use a technology called enhanced branch prediction. Essentially, the computer is so smart it guesses what you are going to click on before your finger even hits the mouse. When you open a massive application like Photoshop or Final Cut Pro, it doesn't load. It just appears. The wait time of our lives is being erased. Apple's goal is to make the time between you having a creative thought and the computer finishing the task almost zero. This isn't just speed. It's a change in how we interact with technology. It removes the friction from creativity. M5 Pro, the Mac Studio killer. If you are a professional who thinks, "I still need a Mac Studio," the M5 Pro model will change your mind. For the first time, Apple is bringing fusion architecture to the Mini. This design bonds separate chips together to act as one single, massive brain. It creates a memory bandwidth of 307 gigabytes per second. That is faster than the majority of high-end gaming rigs on the market today. The storage is also breaking world records. The new SSD controllers reach speeds of 14.5 gigabytes per second. You could move a massive 8K video file in just a couple of seconds. The internal storage is so fast it actually functions as an extension of the RAM, with support for up to 64 GB of unified memory. The M5 Pro is ready to handle 3D modeling and heavy video editing without breaking a sweat. The AI Endgame. We all this power. It's because of the AI Endgame. We are moving into a world where AI is a tool we use every second. Apple wants to kill the cloud. They want your AI to live locally, right on your desk. The M5 family is 4 times faster at processing AI tasks than the M4. This means your Mac Mini can upscale videos, answer complex questions, and help you write emails without your data ever leaving your room. You need a massive engine to run these models locally. And Apple is giving you that engine in a box the size of a sandwich or price. Connectivity and the 512 GB standard now. The elephant in the room, the price. Building in Houston isn't cheap. The leak suggests a new starting price of $699, a $100 hike. Wait, Apple is finally killing the 256 GB base model. Every M5 Mac Mini will now start with 512 GB of ultra-fast storage. By doubling the base storage, Apple is making the entry-level model a viable professional machine right out of the box. And the ports. We are talking Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Thunderbolt 5. These ports offer 120 GB per second of bandwidth. You can plug in multiple 8,000 displays and high-speed storage arrays without a single hint of lag. It turns this tiny box into a true workstation hub. The M5 Mac Mini is the most disruptive product Apple has planned for 2026. They've removed every bottleneck. This is a rare moment where the budget option becomes so good it threatens the rest of the lineup. If you've been waiting to upgrade, wait for this. It's not just a computer. It's a decade-long investment. It brings the future to the present. The shift to American manufacturing and the leap in silicon technology mark a new chapter. The future is sitting on your desk, and it's smaller than you ever imagined. The M5 Mac Mini isn't just a tool. It's the foundation of the next decade of personal computing. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the future of tech.